Okay, class time for social studies.
Mr. Dean, can I go to the bathroom?
Now Dora, every time you ask me this, you always lie and cause some type of mischief. Now are you sure you actually need to go to the restroom?
Yeah, please let me go cause I'm about to poop my pants.
Okay then, have a nice poop. You are excused.
I am going to pull the fire alarm.
Okay, everyone is excused. So, can anyone explain what happened yesterday? Okay, Gina, why don't you share to the class what happened?
Okay, Mr. Dean. During class, someone pulled the fire alarm as a prank, and the police is looking for the person who did it.
I am so scared if anyone finds out about this, I can probably get a referral, or even worse, suspended. I have butterflies in my stomach right now. God, don't let me get in trouble.
And it could even be Dora. She was the only one in the hallway before this happened. She always gives the bathroom excuse to cause some type of trouble.
Gina, that was a really good explanation and theory. I'm calling Principal Cherry right now. Hello, Principal Cherry. We have a possible suspect, Dora Marquez, yet the one who is always in trouble. Yes, I am sending her right now. Dora, grab your things and you're going to the office. Go right now.
In my office, now. Don't just stand there like that, fess up.
Doug, fine. Okay, it was me. You caught me, caught red-handed. I pulled the fire alarm. Okay.
Just as I suspected. That's it, you're expelled for life. Here is your expulsion papers. It's for your parents to sign. You are never allowed to step on Campbellford Elementary ever again. Go home now.
Dora, I cannot believe that you made a fake fire alarm. Texted you a grounded forever, son. You just grounded for life.